this video, I'm going to explain how you can use credit balance on Temu. So what we want to do is just first load up the Temu app, and then here we will click on Me, found in the center at the bottom. So after you have clicked on Me, you will be able to see a section here that says credit balance. If we click on it, it's going to show you how much you have in credit balance. So if we go back, how can you actually use this credit balance? Well, if you go back, then if you make any order here, and if the order is available to use the credit balance on, it will automatically be applied. So essentially you don't have to do anything. If you just add this to your cart, just like this, as an example, I'll choose this pen, and if you have credit balance, then like I said, it will automatically be applied and you don't have to do anything. Now, some orders will not have the option for credit balance, so they will not be discounted, but others will automatically be discounted. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.